Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have my beautiful greenhouse again. It's what time is it now? It's 4:30. Monday the 3rd of January. Hi Monkey. Hi Paul. Hey mate, how are you doing? I'm fine, thank you. Cheers mate. What am I doing? I'm picking out and putting up some tomatoes, mate. Oh nice, thank you. Yeah, as you can see here, just starting to get some true leaves there. So I'm going to be pricking it out and putting on. I haven't grown tomatoes for several years. Last time they got blight, had them in the garden, and I was really disappointed. But I thought I'll give it another go, and hopefully we can keep on top of it this time. So that's 19th there. Gardener's Delight they are. So yeah, I'm going to be using these 9cm pots, and I'm going to be using a peat-based compost. You can see here, nice and fluffy and light, really good texture on it. So first of all, let's get this pots filled first. Hope everybody's keeping well. It's a bit nippy here today. It's been quite warm recently, but the last yesterday and today, the last couple of days, it's really got a bit nippy. You can get this a little bit further round, like so. Just turn that around a little bit, so a bit better, a bit squarer on. Might be a bit better like that. So yeah, this is my potting bench. It's all lined with mylar, black and white mylar, to stop anything dropping down to the bottom. I've also got this tray that's been lined again with mylar. This is what I keep doing potting up on. So I'll just pot these up. I like to get them, so I want to leave like probably 3/4 of an inch to an inch, because then I can always top some more up on top of that. I've got 6 tomato seedlings there, as you can see. So hopefully I shall have some beautiful tomatoes. They're a heritage variety, Gardener's Delight. The other ones that I've grown before in the past, but like I said, I was getting a problem with blight when I was growing them in the garden. So hopefully I can grow them in the greenhouse with some good ventilation a little bit better this time. Let's get one more of these done. So yeah, I know it's early for tomatoes. A lot of people say, oh, it's really early. But I've got my LED grow lights, so they should be fine. So right, once that's done, you can see there, I shall get my little pen or pencil, if I can find it. Here we go. All I'll do with this then is, underneath like so, you want to get as much surrounding compost as you can with it, as much root as you can. I can feel the heat on here, it's really good. These have been on my grow bench. Oh, really nice. You don't want to damage the leaves too much, but if you are going to hold it by them two leaves. The true leaves will come in the middle there. Once you've got that, once you've got that, all you need to do then is big enough hole, bit of compost round, give it a gentle tap, don't be too firm with it. That's the first one done. I'll put the second one. The second one's got more leaves with it. Here we go. You can see with this one has actually true tomato leaves starting to come. So you can't hold it by those two leaves. If you're going to hold it, do not hold it by the stem, because you'll damage it, and you don't want to damage it and then lose them. So yeah, once that's in like so, just a little bit of compost out in the middle, a little bit round the edge, gentle tap down, give it a tap up all the way around the edge, just a little tap, clean any compost up. Once I've got the rest of these done. Right, just gonna get the last one done now. So just fill it with compost. There's 6 here. So 6 will be plenty. So a lot of people grow a lot more, but I don't want to be stuck with a lot of tomatoes that I can't use. A little bit of compost out. Just get a little tap down like so. Nice centred. Little tap with that one. Right, so once these are all done, what I'm going to do then is fetch them over into my trays. These trays here, can't believe how cheap they were. I think I got from Wilco's. You get a pack of 5 for £32. You can also, they come with a lid, so you can also use these as heater propagators. With your, they come with a clear lid, so you can put your heat mats underneath, nice and waterproof. And your LED lights over the top. I might get a batch of these actually, treat myself. My birthday in February. How sad is that? Treating myself to some plastic containers. Whoopee! Yeah, that's it. Tomatoes all want to go in there, like so. And then all I'll do then is just give them a tiny little bit of water on the top. I like to do that because it cleans any compost from around the edges, tidies them up, and just helps it wick up from the bottom. Once these Gardener's Delight have been in here for half an hour, they'll recover nicely. I'll then drain them, and these will then go, quick spin round, these will then go in here onto my heater mats. As you can see, I've got some spring onion in there, some white star, and some petunias at the back. So yeah, that's how to pot on tomatoes, Gardener's Delight. If you've got any questions, it's here to ask, folks. Oh, by the way, I'm using a peat-based compost it's got a little bit of feed in it. So yeah, I would recommend that. You can mix a little bit of perlite in with it, but that's basically your choice. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.